everyone, this is Timothy here with the Orlicki Group. I wanted to say congratulations. Your loan has been submitted to underwriting. This means you've received or will receive shortly your initial loan disclosures. This can include a myriad of different things, but the big thing it's going to include that everybody wants to talk about is the loan estimate. And it's exactly what it sounds like. It is an estimate of the fees and costs associated with your mortgage. You can see a sample one right here, and before we go through that, I just want to pinpoint a few minor things. Number one, it is very important that you sign these quickly. As soon as you receive them from the lender, make sure you sign them electronically and get them back. It is very, very important that we do that in order to avoid delays in the process. Number two, keep in mind it is called an estimate, and at this point, it really is. There are estimated fees in this. Once we get closer to the closing, you'll receive another loan estimate, and then you'll receive a final closing disclosure, and those fees will be locked in prior to your closing being done. So let's take a look at the loan estimate. We have a couple different items on the first page. You can see just some basic information at the top, information about the loan and projected payments. And at the bottom, everybody wants to know, what's this going to cost me at the day of? Well, here's your closing costs that are estimated once again, and your cash to close is estimated at the bottom. On page 2, you're going to see the details of those closing costs. Section A is your origination charge. B and C are the estimated costs. These are the ones that are really going to adjust between now and the time you close. Keep in mind, these are all paid to third parties. We do not control these fees. Most of them are fees for services associated with getting your mortgage to the closing table. B and C, obviously, B services you cannot shop for, C services you can shop for. Most people that decide not to, it's entirely up to you. And at the bottom, we have your total loan cost, A plus B plus C, in that little item there. A little more information on the third page of the loan estimate, just some comparisons, other considerations, and your signature confirming receipt on the bottom left. Once again, estimates, and these are not paid to us. We do not control or collect these fees directly. They go to third parties. One thing I do want to point out is this is just a part of the disclosures. There is a lot of other items that are going to be in there, whether it's Patriot Act information, signed to release contact data, verifying your employment. Part of that, however, is going to be this section, which is appraisal delivery waiver. We want to make sure that you opt into this. That way, if the appraisal comes back a day or two late or there's an issue and we have to do anything with that, it's not going to push back your closing. You will receive a copy of the appraisal prior to closing, of course. It's part of the process. We cannot close without that happening. But this will waive that timeline to make sure that we can close on time for you. Once again, thank you for allowing us to assist you with your mortgage needs. We are always here to help and answer any questions you might have. If you do have questions, give us a call at 813-302-1616 or email us at info@orlickigroup.com. You'll also find a button in the email that this video came in at the bottom. You can click that button and book an appointment to speak with somebody on our team at the time that's convenient for you. Thank you so much for allowing us to assist you, and we can't wait to get you to the closing table. Have a great day.